Hey guys, it's Deondra. Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I decided to do some big fluffy curls for the holidays using these jumbo flexi rods that I got from my local Sally's. I tried these on wet hair first and it was a definite fail, so I decided to blow out my hair this time, and I just twisted each section to keep it from getting tangled. I used the Proclaim Foaming Wrap Lotion for this style, and I will link the details down in the description. Starting on this back section, I just went in with my wide tooth comb to make sure that there were no tangles. I then added 1 pump of the foam to the entire section. I also added a little bit of extra foam to the ends of my hair as I was rolling it, just to make sure that my ends would be as sleek as possible. I chose to roll my hair upwards, but you can also roll it down if you prefer. I then just continued this process across my entire head until all the rods were in my hair.
Production.
rods were in my hair, I sat under my hooded dryer for about an hour. The takedown for these rods was super easy. All you have to do is just unbend the rod and unroll your hair. Once all the rods were out of my hair, I added a little bit of oil to my hands and carefully began to separate my curls. You can separate as much or as little as you want, but I chose to only separate a little bit because I didn't want too much frizz. Now all that was left to do was just lay my edges and my baby hair. So these are my final results. I really loved the way my hair looked. It was so pretty and fluffy and my curls were so big. I just loved it. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.